Okay, listen up, because this is big. Imagine you have a new friend. This friend is super smart, super fast, and always ready to help you with the boring stuff. They don't get tired, they don't complain when you ask them to do a million things, and they don't steal your fries. This friend is the new ChatGPT Agent. It's like having a little genius living in your computer, ready to jump into action. It's not just about asking a question and getting an answer anymore. Oh no, this is like giving someone the keys to your car and saying, go get the groceries, plan my vacation. And also, can you make it look pretty? This is a whole new level of help, like going from a bicycle to a private jet. So let me tell you, introducing this new agent feels like bringing a new puppy home, but one that already knows how to do your taxes. It's exciting. You know that feeling when you have so much to do you just want to lie on the floor? Well, now you can tell your little agent friend to handle it. You just talk to it, like I'm talking to you right now. You can say, hey, I need to figure out this whole work thing, and it just starts working. It's dramatic, it's fun, and it's a little bit like magic. It's the next big leap for AI, and it's here to make our lives a little less. Ay, caramba! And a little more. Ay, que bueno! Before, we had to do everything step by step. It was like, please Google, find me this, and then, please PowerPoint, make me this. It was exhausting. But this agent is different. It's like having a very enthusiastic intern who is actually good at their job. You give it a big goal and it breaks it down into all the little annoying steps and does them for you. It's a real partner, someone you can delegate to. You are not just prompting it, you are giving it a mission. And the best part, you can watch it work its magic right on your screen, which is better than any telenovela, I promise you. This is not some faraway science fiction dream. It's happening right now, today, on July 18th, 2025. OpenAI just let this little guy out into the world, and things are about to get very interesting. It's like the world just got a new superhero, but instead of a cape, it has a keyboard and a really good internet connection. It's designed to be your sidekick, to take on the complicated tasks so you have more time for the important things in life, like finding the perfect shoes or figuring out what to watch on TV tonight. So get ready to meet your new best friend. It's going to be a wild, fun ride. So you're probably wondering, how does this little genius do all this stuff? Is it magic? Well, kind of. The ChatGPT agent lives and works inside its very own special virtual computer. Think of it like a little sandbox, a digital playroom where it can do almost anything a person can do on a computer, but super fast. It can click, it can type, it can open programs, it can browse websites. It has its own mouse and keyboard, but they are invisible. All of its actions are streamed right to your ChatGPT window, so you can see every single thing it does. It's like screen sharing with a friend who is a total computer whiz. This is what makes it so different from the old chatbots. It doesn't just know things, it does things. It has been trained to use all sorts of tools, just like you would teach a new assistant. It can connect to your Google Drive to find a file, check your Gmail to read an email, and even look at your calendar to see when you are free. It's not just guessing, it's actually using the apps. It learned how to do all this through something called reinforcement learning, which is a fancy way of saying it practiced a million times until it got really, really good. It's like it went to a very intense computer school. And the best part is the teamwork. You are always in control, like a movie director. If the agent is doing something and you want to change it, you can just jump in and chat with it. You can say, wait, stop, let's look at this other website instead. You can interrupt it any time to give it new instructions or clarify what you want. It's a real conversation. And sometimes the agent might even get stuck and ask you for help. It might say, I can't find your credit card details to book this flight. Can you help me? It's like an intern who is learning on the job. Very smart, but still needs a little guidance sometimes. This whole setup is designed to be safe and transparent. Because it works in its own little virtual world, it's not messing around with your actual computer's files unless you give it permission. It can even send you screenshots of what it's seeing so you're always on the same page. It's like having a helper who shows you their work every step of the way. This isn't some mysterious black box. It's a glass box where you can see all the gears turning and all the magic happening right before your eyes. It's collaboration, but with a super intelligent robot. How cool is that? Okay, enough with the technical stuff. Let's talk about the fun part. What can this amazing new friend actually do for you? Let's say you want to plan a trip. Before you would have to search for flights, then hotels, then things to do, and your brain would be scrambled eggs. Now you can just tell the agent, plan me a 5-day trip to Paris for my anniversary next month. Find a romantic hotel near the Eiffel Tower, book us a gluten-free dinner for 2 on Saturday, and make a schedule with museums and shopping. The agent will then open its little browser, check your calendar for the dates, find flights, compare hotels, and even go on OpenTable to make the dinner reservation. It does it all. Or imagine you have a big, scary work project. Your boss gives you a huge pile of 1,500 customer emails and says, "I need a report on what our customers are complaining about by tomorrow." Ay, Dios mío, that sounds like a nightmare. But for the agent, it's just another Tuesday. You can give it all the emails, and it will read every single one, categorize the problems, count them up, and then create a beautiful presentation with charts and summaries explaining everything. It can turn a week of horrible work into a 20-minute task. It's like having a whole team of analysts working just for you. The little things are amazing too. Maybe you just need to find a good sushi place nearby that has gluten-free options. The agent can search the web, read menus, check reviews, and then, once you pick one, it can connect to your calendar, see you're free at 7 p.m., and book the table for you. It can pull financial data from boring city budget PDF files and put it all into a neat spreadsheet. It can even look at a screenshot of a cool design you like and create a new presentation with similar editable graphics. It's a master of taking your ideas and making them real, doing all the tedious clicking and typing along the way. These are not just fantasies. These are real examples of what people are already doing with the agent. The experts are calling it a huge step forward. It feels less like you are commanding a robot and more like you are delegating to a capable partner. It's a shift from just asking for information to handing off entire projects. Whether it's for your personal life, like planning a party, or for your professional life, like creating a massive report, this agent is ready to take on the challenge. It's here to handle the complicated stuff so you can focus on being creative and making the big decisions. Now let's be real for a second. Is this new agent perfect? No, of course not. Nobody is perfect, not even a super smart AI. It's more like a brilliant intern. It's incredibly capable, but it's still learning. Sometimes it might need a little help or a gentle nudge in the right direction. But that's what makes it so special. It's a partnership. And even with its little imperfections, the numbers show that it's already amazing. For example, when it comes to browsing the web to complete tasks, it scores a 68.9%, which is getting very, very close to human performance at 78.2%. It's catching up fast. On other tests, like difficult tasks with spreadsheets, it scores around 45.5%. A human might score 71.3%, so there is still a gap, but it's a huge improvement over older models that were stuck at 25%. It shows that it can handle complex data, but might still need you to double-check its work, just like you would with a new employee. It's honest about what it can and can't do. This honesty is what makes it a trustworthy helper. It's not trying to pretend it knows everything. It's here to learn and work with you, which is so much better. The agent started rolling out to pro users on July 17, 2024, with Plus and Team users getting it soon after. So, it's very new. Pro users get a good amount of messages to use it each month, and Plus users get a smaller amount to start. It's not available everywhere in the world just yet, but it's coming. This gradual release gives everyone a chance to get to know this new technology and figure out all the cool ways to use it. It's like a new hit song being released on the radio. Soon, everyone will be talking about it and finding new ways to dance to its rhythm. At the end of the day, the ChatGPT Agent is here to make life easier, funnier, and more interesting for everyone. It's about taking the work out of paperwork and the chore out of chores. It frees up your time and your brain power so you can focus on what truly matters to you. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or just someone trying to organize their busy life, this little agent is like a secret weapon. It's a friendly, powerful partner ready to help you tackle your to-do list and maybe even achieve some big dreams along the way. Life is complicated enough. It's nice to finally have a friend to help us figure it all out.